How much can you earn as a doctor in UK? Does passing MRCOG instantly increase your salary? How much tax do UK doctors actually pay? And after paying rent and bills, how much money you realistically save every month? Hi, I'm Dr. Sana Ansari. In this video, I'll explain you everything from your first NHS job after PLAB to becoming a consultant, including your gross salary, take-home salary, taxes, living cost, and savings. So let's get started. So these figures are based on NHS England pay scales in 2026. I'm discussing basic NHS salaries. Your actual earnings may be higher because of night shift, weekend duties, locum shift, on call, or private practice. Salary scales also differ slightly across Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Now, before discussing the numbers, there is one concept everyone should understand. PLAB is a licensing pathway. MRCOG and MRCPI are postgraduate qualifications. None of these qualifications have a fixed salary attached. Your salary depends on your NHS grade, your experience, your contract, your rota. Qualifications help you become eligible for the higher paying jobs, but they do not automatically increase your salary. Now, after doing PLAB or UKMLA pathway, most international doctors they start as trust grade doctor, a clinical fellow, a resident doctor, or SHO level doctor. So the basic annual salary is roughly around 44,000 to 55,000 pounds depending on the post. Once you add nights, weekends, on calls, many doctors earn around 55,000 to 70,000 pounds annually. Now, does MRCOG increase your salary? This is one of the biggest myth. Passing MRCOG Part 1 does not automatically increase your salary. Part 2, no automatic increase. Part 3, again, no automatic NHS pay rise. So, why is MRCOG valuable? Because it helps you become eligible for higher grade jobs such as registrar, specialty doctor, or consultant post where the salary is much higher. So what after MRCOG and MRCPI? So if you secure a registrar or higher resident position, your basic salary generally increases to 50,000 to 80,000 pounds depending on your stage. Many doctors with MRCOG or MRCPI also work as specialty doctors where the basic pay is around 61,000 to 99,000 pounds depending on the years of experience. So remember, the increase comes from the job you obtained, not simply from passing the exam. Now, for a consultant salary, when you become an NHS consultant, the basic salary is around 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh pounds per year. On top of this, many consultants also earn through additional NHS sessions, on call payments, private practice, teaching, and leadership roles. This can significantly increase your total annual earnings. Now, let's answer the question most people ask: how much actually comes into your bank account? The salaries we have discussed so far are gross salaries. From this, deductions include income tax, insurance, and just pension if you join the scheme. So your take home salary is lower than your gross salary. So if you're earning 50,000 pounds per year, your monthly would be 3,000 to 3,300 pounds per month. And if you're earning 70,000 pounds, your monthly would be around 4,000 to 4,500 pounds. And if your earning is 1 lakh per year, your monthly income would be around 5,300 to 6,000 pounds per month. So these are approximate figures. Your actual take home depends on your tax code, pensions, overtime, and many other factors. Now let's talk about the expenses. Now, for a single doctor living outside central London, these are the typical monthly cost. For rent, around 700 to 18,000 pounds, slightly higher in London. For utilities, internet, 150 to 250 pounds, groceries, 200 to 350 pounds, for transport, 80 to 250 pounds. After these expenses, many doctors are able to save money each month, but the amount varies greatly depending on where they live, their lifestyle, and family commitments. Living outside London generally allows you for higher savings than living in central London. Now, comparing the salary depending on which stage of career you are currently in. So, this is the table comparing the salary depending on which career stage you are in, whether you are an NHS job, registrar, specialty, or a consultant. So if you remember just three things from this video, PLAB, MRCOG and MRCPI, they do not have fixed salaries. Your NHS jobs depend on the job grade, not the qualification alone. And always look at gross salary, taxes, take home pay, and living cost before comparing the earnings. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe with your colleagues planning to work in UK. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.